Sphero, you probably think of robotic toys like the BB-8 or something like that. But as part of the company's push into more educational areas, I got to check out Specdrums here at CES. It's a musical toy that makes anyone put out beats that are SoundCloud ready in just a minute. They're small rings with embedded optical sensors that you can tap on colored pads or really anything to make sounds, start and end loops, and the software syncs it all up so that everything sounds good. I was able to try it out, go through, make some beats. The sounds that I was using in our demonstration were a cappella sounds recorded by one of their employees, but they also had more house sounding beats, more future drums, future bass, things like that. Really the kind of sounds that you're used to, and when you're using it, it's putting out a song that will fit in very easily with anything else that you have to listen to, and that's really what makes it so fun to use, is that you're getting that quick feedback of making something that you enjoy. That's what I really liked about it. One of the best parts of the display is that they have one of their employees acting as a real DJ using nothing more than these Specdrums. You can tap on the pads, and as he showed, you can tap on fruit, anything that you have around you. Once you've associated the sounds and you know what you're doing, you can make it work and put out music that sounds just like everything that you'd hear on the radio, that you hear on streaming. These won't necessarily teach you how to play the piano or use instruments like that, but some of the basics of music when it comes to understanding what sounds work well together are very easy to pick up using a tool like this. With something like Specdrums, you can make music anywhere you happen to be. If you have sounds in your head, all you have to do is record them, then you can assign them to physical objects and allow the inspiration to flow. You touch something, the music starts, you touch it again, the music stops. Keys, loops, anything, and the software helps keep it all in sync. It's really an incredible tool that could bring the beat maker out of all of us. The Specdrums are on sale now. The price is about $69 for one of them or $99 for a pair. Go ahead and check Engadget.com for all of the news this week from CES.